Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve NSO Set B 2018 of class 1. Okay, so let's move to the question paper section. The first section in front of us is the logical reasoning one. Here it is, and the first question is identify the missing figure in the given pattern. So here we can see that this boy is the first boy is repeated after every two. Okay, and then this the same way this the boy with football is repeated. So after the next repetition it will be at the question mark place. So the correct option will be option A. Identify the shape of the number 7. So the number 7 is in circular shape. If you are not well known to the identification of figure chapter, so you must enroll in our paid courses. For that you just have to mention your name in the name and class in the comment section and we will contact you. Question number 3. Dash is the longest and dash is the shortest in the given figure. So we have a crayon, pencil and the paintbrush. So the longest one will be the paintbrush as per mentioned in option D, and the shortest one will be the crayon. So option D will be the correct option here. There are dash equal groups of 4 balls each. So let's check it out. Let's make the group of 4 balls right now. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, and the fifth group, last one. So the total number of groups we have is option A, option A, which is 5. Okay, question number 5, let's say it. Dash standing last in the queue, which one is? So let me zoom it for you guys first, so you can clearly see the name Nagesh, Naksh. Okay, is in the last of the row. So let's go with Naksh, option B. Now let's come to the main oriented section, which is science. So the first question will be this. Let me zoom it so that you can clearly observe which kind of plant is it. So if you can observe it, it is a kind of shrub. The option A will be correct option here. Now let's see the next question. The body part which helps Sia to lift the book is also helps her too. So here you can, if you see, Sia is holding the books with her hands. Okay, now let's see that what other work she can do with her hands. So jump from a table, no, it is the work of legs. Kicking football is also the work of legs. Throw waste in dustbin, yeah, it can be done by the help of hands. Climb up the stairs climbing is also dependent upon legs. So the correct option and the only option which suits here is option C. Let's see the question number 8. Select the option which is incorrect. Like we have the leaves of certain plants and the fruits of it. So if we match it, the first one is correct, the second one is also correct, the third one, what do you think about it? Third one is also correct, guys, but the fourth one is incorrect because the leaf is of peepal tree or banyan tree, you must be known to it, and the flower is of lotus. Okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 9. Woolen socks gloves, and caps are made up of wool obtained from. So wool can only be obtained from sheeps. Like crocodile doesn't gives us wool. Honeybee gives us honey, while the silk moth gives us silk. Now, question number 10. We should carry dash whenever we go out. So we don't have to read too much about it right now. Like it is a kind of, and the rainy day, so it clearly indicates that we can wear raincoat. Sorry guys, this is not, like option A and C is suitable here. Like we can use umbrella or raincoat, any of them, while going out in a rainy season. Question number 11. Ria has a tomato plant in the backyard of her home. Her younger sister is naughty and often plucks many flowers from the plant. This will result. So the flowers in a fruit plant is quite indicative and for the reduction or increase of fruits. So if we plug it out, the reduction of fruits happen. So option B will be the correct option. Now question number 12. The things shown in the box X can be found in which of this room of this house? So here we have a dining room in first case, option A, which is incorrect, because all these utensils are a part of kitchen, which is shown in the option D. So we will go with it. Question number 13. Which of the following pictures shows the living and non-living things together? So here we have the only picture which shows living and non-living is option D, in which we have a non-living thing which is jar and the living thing which is a fish. Question number 14. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the plant whose fruits is shown in the figure? So if we see in the figure, here we have a pea plant. Okay, so the plant is busty with thin woody stem. So is it correct, my dear friends? No. The plant is very big and thick, hard woody stem. It is also incorrect because we all are well known that a pea is a creeper type of plant. The plant has weak stems. No. Yeah, the plant has weak stems. It grows along the ground. No, it needs support to climb up because it is a kind of climber one. So option D will be the correct option here. Now question number 15. Let's see question number 15. Unscramble the following letter of the words to find out the name of a water source. So what will be it? Question number 15. So the option will be option B, and if you are able to find it out, then please mention in the comment section. It is a kind of question for you guys. Let me see whom of you can be able to find it out. चलिए आगे देखते हैं. Rahul is eating mixed salad which includes broccoli, carrot, lettuce. He is eating all the plants part except dash. So if we see, a broccoli is a kind of flower one, option D. Carrot is a kind of root one. Lettuce is a kind of leaf one. So the only option which is remaining is fruit part, which is not in his salad. Next question number 17. Refer to what Anurag saying. Which body part did Arun most likely use to know the condition of puja? Papa, please come here fast. Pooja got hurt by scissor. So, which body part will he use to know the condition of Pooja? What will be it, guys? Answer me fast. So, if we aren't able to see the condition of Pooja, then we can't explain it. So, the part he used is eyes to see the condition of Pooja or know the condition of Pooja. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Flower of a plant give rise to fruits. Is it correct? Yes, it is. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Is it correct? Yeah, it is also correct. Option C, leaves support water and food to different parts of plant. No, it is incorrect. The xylem vessels support it. So we will get to know about it in the further classes or senior classes. Which of the following figures indicates the presence of zebra crossing? So which of it? Option A. Who among the following practices good habits? I cover my nose while sneezing. Is it a good habit? Yeah. I help an elderly person whenever possible. Is it a good habit? Yes, we must help elder persons as well as the younger persons too. So far as we are, it is possible for us to do. I don't pluck flowers from the park. It is also a good habit. Like all these three kids are doing a good work. So option D will be the right answer. Select the incorrect match. Nigh, horse, ground, pig, bray, cat, roar, lion. Which one will be the incorrect match? So bray, cat, because it is not the voice of cat. Now next question number 22nd. Select the option which incorrectly fills the blank in the given sentence. X needs dash to burn. What is it? So X needs air because fire cannot burn in the absence of air. Savitri lives in a building which has many floors. She living in A. So do this house has many floors, or this igloo or this hut? The only option which is matchable is option D. So we will go with option D. Select the correct option to complete it. So X tadpole, Y goat. So let's see animal, monkey, frog. So in the animal criteria or category, it is Y mentioned, which has animal में monkey and frog, and the baby of Y section like infant, kid. So there are two Y sections in which we have mentioned infant and kid. So what will be the next one? It is the question. So let's check it, each and every question. So if we see here, the thing is indicating the younger one in all the cases like infant and kids. So we can go with tadpole in X option. So we have two tadpole options, but in the second case of scenario we have monkey and frog. Okay, so the third one will be the option which is what? Goat. Okay, because these two can be easily seen in our these two can be used by humans but in the case of rabbits, they are not quite efficient with respect to these two. So we will go with the Y section, or we can also have a concept that since the option A is above the C, so we will go with it, because if we see, then both of them, these options are quite matchable with the kind of condition given in the table. But since option A is apart from it, like it is mentioned above, so we will go with it. So option A. Now question number 25. Select the plant pair which contains plants of different types. Pumpkin, watermelon. So the both are climber type of plant, but rose and grapevine are different. Like the first one is a rose flower orienting plant, and the second one is grapevine, which is a climber. So they are entirely different from each other. Which of the following is a living thing? So the plant is the living thing here. The given animals can be grouped together because they all lay eggs. They all are egg layers. 28 question. Seema classified animals in 4 groups on the basis of place where they live but made a mistake. Select the group in which she classified animals incorrectly. So let's see, we have dolphin, fish and whale. All these are good. In the next section, octopus, rabbit and wolf. So we can clearly see this octopus is not an animal which lives on earth, on land. So it is the incorrect one, and option B will be the right option for this question. 29th question. Select the suitable heading for group X and Y. So here we have birds, and second one is the birds which cannot fly. So let's go with the flying birds and flightless birds. The option A will be right one here. Nitin listening to music through headphone. Which of these he cannot sense? So red color of the wall, no, it is dependent upon eyesight. Strawberry flavor of ice cream, it is dependent upon nose. Odor of a stale food, it is also dependent upon nose. But chirping of the bird, it is dependent upon ears, which are compacted or covered by the headphones. So option D will be the right one here. Now let's come to the most innovative section, which is achievers section. The 31st question we have, which of the following is not hidden in the given words of grid? An object in the sky that shines at night and appears to change its shape every night. So it must be talking about a moon, which is mentioned here. Okay, like the last section, in the last section. Now option B, the object in a sky that appears to rise from the east in the morning and sets in the west in the evening. So it must be about sun, which is here. Season of the year during which flower bloom. So monsoon season will be the season here mentioned, and season of the year when days are hot and sunny. So if we see, The hot and sunny days are mentioned in summer season. So the monsoon is not mentioned here. So option C will be the right one here. Let's see the 32nd question. It is an animal here in the chart. Yes. And then it has 6 legs and it can fly. So if you are well known to it, so P cannot be a spider, because spiders can't fly. Okay, now let's check other options, like it has 6 legs, it can fly, and it is in R section. So R cannot be emu because it cannot fly. Now let's check it can fly, and there is no for the S option, like it has 6 legs, it is an animal and it cannot fly. So what do you think about it? Is it okay with penguin? Yes, because penguins don't have 6 legs. Here it is mentioned no and it cannot fly. So we can clearly go with option D. Question number 33. Which of the following correctly describes the function part of x and y? So here we have y is represented as root. So what will be the main function of roots? Make foods for the plant in x section. So x represents the plant's leaves, and if you all are not aware of the process of food making, it is known as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, and it is done in leaves, by which plants get their food. So makes food for the plants and absorbs nutrients from the soil and water. So option B will be the correct option here. Now 34th question, the correct option regarding the leveled parts PQRS of Ravi's body. Ravi pick up the ball using Q, and Q here indicates the neck of Ravi, so it is incorrect. Ravi walks with help of P, it is hands, and usually we don't walk with the help of hands. Ravi identifies the color of the ball by R, it is ears, so Ravi cannot. No friends, R indicates the eyes. Like if you zoom the figure, you can see here R indicates the eyes. Is it visible to you guys? Like this is our eyes. So R indicates the eyes. So this will be the correct option here. Now see 35th question. Rekha saw a snail gliding on the ground. He touched it gently and observed that the snail immediately moved into its shell. What does this prove about the living things? So what is it proves, friends? Like it only proves that living things grows, living things reproduce. No, none of these actions take part here. Living things need air, food. No, it is about touching and response. So the living things respond to the changes. Like when Rekha touched the snail, it grabs itself inside that snail. So it is a response towards the touch, which is a kind of change for that snail. So that's it guys. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you are willing to join our paid courses, then mention in the comment section. We will contact you. Thank you.